Hi, my name is Nicholas, and I'm going to talk about a little bit about antconc program. I'm going to talk about how we can use this program and their tools. So first of all, we have to upload in the program your corpus that you choose for your project. First of all, the corpus that you choose have to be in a txt format. In that way, we can work with file. So as you see here, uh, you can see corpus txt. So that's the corpus that I choose to work with. If you don't know how to change the format of a file, for example PDF to txt, it's easy. You can go to this website that you can change the format of your file, as I did. As you can see, here I upload my corpus that I choose, and I transform to a txt format. So in that way I can work with that corpus. Well, with the corpus uploaded in the program, you have the facilities to make a lot of works. For example, here we have the tools concordance plot, file view, clusters, engrams, collocate word list, and carry word list. So today we're going to explain a little bit some of these tools. So first of all, you have to see that the corpus have to work correctly in the program. So how we can check it? So first of all, you have to click in the file at the left side, like this, okay, and then you go to file view, and it is the corpus, and as you can see that it was uploaded correctly. So let's go back to concordance. How the concordance work? So first of all, you can here under this big square, here you have like search term. So you can only put a term that you want to search. For example, in this case, I'm going to put under. So then you can put start, and then you have. So this tool takes care of analyze all the corpus and find the specific word that you write. Corpus that we have, we can see that the word appear 13 times. Here is the number of times that the word repeat. So you can see that you can see in the sentences that it appear. So for example, in the first sentences says distributions in the Eastern United States under a climate change scenario, a case study. Okay, so when you put the word under in the search stem, you can see that the program, in this case the tool concordance, find the word in the corpus and put all the sentences, and in the middle the word that we search. In the left side, we can see how many times the word appeared. In this case, are 13 words. So we can see in other corpus under appeared 13 words in some sentences. So this tool takes care of analyze the corpus and find the word that we want to search. So that is the importance of this tool. Yes, and this works with a lot of words that you want to search. So for example, if you want to search a word from that begins with a capital letter, you can write it. For example, the global. We put start, and then you have. Well, here we can see that the program mixed the two words, the global with the capital letter and the another global with the smaller letter. But as you can see, these words, no, it doesn't matter if it mix. This word repeat 60 times in all the corpus. So as we can see in all of these sentences that we have. So now I'm going to explain a little bit about the concordance plot. Well, in this concordance plot tool, it works similar like the concordance, because you have to follow the same steps to work with this tool. For example, we're going to use this. We're going to use the same word, in this case global, but we are going to change with the G, with the smaller G. When we have the term here, we can go to the concordance tool plot. As you can see here, these black lines is where the word global appears in the corpus, and we can see how many times these words repeat in the corpus. And where we can see this, if we go under the concordance plot, it says concordance hits, and it is the number of times that the word repeats. In this corpus, the word repeats 60 times. So as you can see, he repeats in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of the corpus. So, and this is interesting because if we choose whatever line, so we have to say that the line is the word. So if we choose, I don't know, the one of the lines that are in there, the program moves to the file view and show us where is the word global is. So let's move on to the next tool. In this case, the file view that we saw since the beginning of this presentation. So in the file view, you can work. The work here is similar. So if you don't like to work with concordance or the concordance plot tool, you only have to go to file view, and here you also can put the word that you want to search. For example, we're going to put the word biology. So when we put the word, we can put it. We are going to click in the bottom of start, and then you have the program highlight where the word is. In this case, in the third paragraph of the corpus, here biology. And then if we move on much more under the corpus, we can see that it appears here in blue, the word biology. See where the word is in other sentences. So let's move on to clusters and engrams. So here we are going to do the same as we did with the last tools. So here we can put the name there. So under we can put the term that we want to search. So in this case, we're going to put the word area. So we put and we click in start, and as you can see, we have here the list of clusters that uh, that the corpus have with the word area. So we can see that there are 27 clusters in this corpus, and the frequency that each one have. For example, the first one have the frequency of the first one is 12. That means that it repeats 12 times. And also, if you click in any cluster, the program are going to move on due to the concordance tools and show you where is that cluster. In this case, in the sentence or in the bibliography of the corpus, there is area relationships, page 397, etc. And at the same time, if we're going to concordance plot tool, we can see where it is. That is at the beginning of the end of the corpus.